On this week's episode, we visit Niagara Falls State Park for Mark's birthday, enjoy the shoreline of Lake Ontario, and visit a few local history spots. While we generally prefer state, national, county, regional, or Army Corps of Engineer parks, sometimes you find a private campground that is just a little slice of heaven. Daisy Barn Campground was that for us. The campground offered a number of amenities, but everyone's favorite by far was the ability to fish. We really enjoyed our week here, and most of all, the sunsets.
So I'd rather be looking at the sunset behind me, but Jen wants me to record. And that's something we haven't been doing the last few days because it's been so gorgeous here.
Yeah.
This is Lake Ontario. We have beautiful views and beautiful sunsets every day. The weather's been perfect. We've been fishing and relaxing, and all in all having a great time here in New York. So far, A+ for New York.
Yeah.
At least the west side of it so far.
Yep. So what's tomorrow?
Tomorrow is my birthday.
It is your birthday. Did I not pick like the best spot for your birthday?
It's been pretty good. So we're gonna go to Niagara Falls, which is the other reason we're here.
Yep.
And do a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm sure that's gonna be a lot of fun.
Okay. We'll let everybody enjoy the sunset, including you. Tell us what's going on today.
It's Daddy's birthday, so we're preparing. Now when he opens up his door, we're gonna throw balloons at him.
Yeah, if you guys can see.
All right, now
The kids have decorated and blown up balloons. And Kenny's making some cake.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
After a big breakfast and opening some gifts, it was time for us to start our adventure. We're on our way to Niagara Falls. And Mark's in his new birthday outfit.
I'm the safety cone.
The kids picked out an outfit for him to wear for the day. And we're taking the scenic byway.
Scenic byway?
Yeah, it's really pretty out. I'll show you.
We saw the mist. We got our first view of it. It was so exciting.
We're gonna get soaked.
And there's a lot of mist. It is shooting up.
There's
Gigantic.
Yeah.
That was exciting.
It went over.
No waiting. Got here early to Cave of the Winds. Literally just walk right on through. Not shabby. Birthday perk.
First, you enter the museum and watch a brief video on the history of Niagara Falls. It's field trip day, of course, and we just missed a field trip. Probably like 2 buses worth of kids that are getting ready to go down to the Cave of Winds, like us, by 15 minutes. Yes.
All right, we got our ponchos on.
Look at some of the babies. Right down there. What babies are there? Oh my God. You have a cute little baby.
Huh?
I said the bird smell is no joke. Are you excited?
Oh, the babies are so cute.
It smells horrendous though.
It smells like bird poop.
Cave of Winds is that one place that really allows you to experience the power of the waterfalls at Niagara. Bryce, hold on to me. The experience is thrilling, exhilarating, cold, and definitely wet.
Keep watching. We'll be on the Maid of the Mist later in the video. pretty incredible that they made this.
Yeah, let's go head up, hon.
We're in it.
Dude, how cool is this stuff? Like right under this.
All right. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is something that you need to do when you come here. This is awesome.
Everybody's gonna get to see
Check out this next bit.
There is no doubt that as you walk up these stairs, while millions of gallons of water is rushing by you, it can be a little intimidating.
Oh, it's a full-on rainstorm now. Woo! Definitely get the poncho. This is intense. You're going up?
I'm going up. I'm going up too.
This next deck is called the Hurricane Deck. You'll see why.
I'm ready.
You're gonna go up? Now that we're back down, I can say that that is one of the things you must do when you come to Niagara, is the Cave of the Winds and get right in it. Don't be a chicken. You gotta get right in that water. Experience Niagara Falls. It was awesome. Great birthday present. Let's see what we got to do next.
Next, we took a walk over to American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls to get a different perspective on the experience we had just had. Our next stop was Horseshoe Falls, and to take it in from above before we head out on the Maid of the Mist.
That's in Canada.
Yeah, that's the cave, I think. So we just finished checking out Horseshoe Falls. We're gonna jump on the trolley and we're gonna go on the Maid of the Mist. Find some lunch too.
So the Maiden of the Mist is now all electric, and we're getting on the Nikola Tesla one, so pretty cool.
This experience in Niagara Falls was exhilarating, and the kids really enjoyed it.
Alright, so this boat is recharged in 7 minutes when they dock. So between each run, they fully recharge the batteries in just 7 minutes. And of course, they're using electricity generated here at the waterfall. So it's a clean, closed-loop system.
After a full day at the falls, we were off to have some birthday dinner and dessert.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Yeah. What'd you wish for?
Yay! Well, it is hot today. We have storms rolling in this afternoon, so there's a splash pad nearby that some locals recommended, so we're heading to the splash pad. Finding playgrounds like this has played a key role in the success of our lifestyle when it comes to the children. It is one of their favorite activities, and they've become an expert on playgrounds. Hey everyone, today we are visiting Alan Herschell company carousels and merry-go-rounds. It was a little warm today, so thought I'd check out what's local around here. So let's go see. A tour at the Carousel factory will take you on a whimsical ride back in time to learn about this lost art form. We learned about the first carousel horses having ears that stuck up and tails made of real horsehair. And about how old is this carousel or these horses?
The inner two were built in 1902, but this was added in the third row was added in 1916. That's why they call it the 1916 special. So the youngest baby horses are 106 years old.
Wow, that is so cool. This one goes fast. Yeah. Wait. Oh, look at these old cow ones.
Romance side of the carousel. I'm a theater guy, so for me this would be downstage.
I gotcha.
Facing the audience. You can see all the nice carving and all that
Right.
stuff. On the back side, they paint it, but they don't carve it. Because all that carving takes quite a bit of time. So back here, you see like this thing here, this
Right.
jewel. Back here, there's no jewel.
It's more plain.
It's plain, yeah, come back here and you can see. It's this yellow,
Oh.
and all of that is not carved.
Oh no, it's
A
not
little
nearly
bit.
as fancy.
Not nearly as fancy, right. So,
And it's always done like that.
Yep.
On the carousels.
yep. As far as I know.
Okay, everybody. Bryce, where are you? There you are. We just finished up our tour of the Herschell Carousel Factory Museum. This is where they actually used to build the carousels. It was really cool, I thought. Did you guys like it?
Yeah, I loved it. It was so fun. It was a lot of fun.
Okay, this is so funny. Cooper had to have this. He bought it with his own money. Okay, now you gotta let go of it. Oh, you'll have to try it. It may not work on the table. There you go. Oh, what else? There was
There was a scavenger hunt. You have to find all the things, and after you can either get a spinner or a sticker.
yeah.
Pretty cool.
So they gave each of the kids a spinner or a sticker.
I got to choose which ones you wanted.
Yeah.
I went with
That made the trip a little bit more fun, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. All right, well, let's head home. This cute town of Olcott Beach, right down the road from our campground, was a great way to spend an afternoon, and we even stumbled upon the Mermaid Festival. After talking to a local, we found out that Olcott does a themed weekend each weekend in the summertime. If you are in the area, definitely stop by and check it out.
The jellyfish umbrella.
I love the jellyfish umbrellas. And while you're visiting, don't forget to stop by the Olcott Carousel amusement park for traditional 25-cent rides, games, and even a magic show. Our last stop was Old Fort Niagara for a tour, musket demonstration, and history lesson on the vital role it played in the War of 1812.
Alrighty.
You can explore all 3 floors of the fort and then head outside to enjoy some stunning views of Lake Ontario from the surrounding grounds. Be sure to visit the museum to see an important part of history. So why are there 15 stars on this flag?
So 15 stars, 15 stripes, one for each state in the Union. Now the weird thing is there was actually 18 states in the Union during the War of 1812, but due to some rule issues, they continued to use the old flag until much later.
Interesting.
So yeah, so there's actually 18, but 15.
It's really cool. So how old is this? This is the flag from 1812?
It's supposed to be the flag from 1812.
That's pretty cool.
Okay, so obviously a flag that old is not gonna stay intact, but what they do have is all the dark pieces are actual real pieces.
So the parts that look like stains on my phone.
Yeah, so they give you the overall size of the flag and they matched up the pieces where they could from what they had left, and that's what you're seeing.
Which is still pretty amazing to have that much of it left.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's huge.
Be sure to watch next week when we go to Watkins Glen to visit the beautiful waterfalls of the state park. You won't want to miss it. Thanks again for watching, and as always, thank you to our Patreon members.